Welcome to the informative new Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant feature on this device. So first let's open the Google app and then click on the right upper corner. Now click to the settings and tap to voice. Then select voice match section and then you'll see here OK Google switcher. Just to activate this option you should click here to the switcher, then tap to next, read the description, click to yes I agree, pick close. And now we can see that the Hey Google feature is successfully activated. So now we should tap to voice model and we should add our voice model assistant to recognize us. And now we should say, OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now just tap here to finish. And we can see that Hey Google feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.